Did you know that the shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes? It was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. And speaking of short durations, the world's longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne couldn't stop hiccuping for almost 7 decades. And here's something fascinating. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Also, a teaspoon of honey is the life's work of 12 bees, who each visit around 100 flowers to make it. And believe it or not, a day on Mars is just 40 minutes longer than a day on Earth.